Welcome back. We are in this bitch.
That girl, she's so dangerous. That girl, she's so dangerous.
We got Kale on his R7.
Huh?
We got Stetson's little R3. Follow him.
Where are we going?
I guess the dam, but the back way.
Is it a good ride? Yeah. Is it a good ride? It's a ride. Is it a good one? It's a ride.
Where are you trying to go?
I don't know. I just want to go with some good curves. Hey, where did we go that one night that we all almost died? That's the dam. Let's go.
All right, yeah.
Sounds like a chopper.
Is that Harley shake?
I don't know the way.
He does. Bruh. Trying to murder me and shit. The back way, he said. Pitch black rolling. Yellow teeth they almond. Let's see if I can get him to do a fucking flyby. Oh, that helmet looks good. Go to the bridge. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hell yeah. Banged off third and shit. Stetson's supposed to be leading the way and shit. My traction control keeps turning off. I don't know why it does that. Or on. I cannot do it in third, bro. I don't know what it is. I gotta be moving or something. Bro, they zooming around this shit. I'll give them that. No way. Yeah, you were down there, bruh. On the fucking turn? On the turn? No way. No way. Let me back up. No way. Well, I don't know if y'all saw that or not. I don't know if they saw that or not, but
Shit get wicked.
shit get wicked. We're all three dominoed up, and we about all three dominoed down.
Fucking 2 for 3.
2 out of 3, thank God. This is the exact same place I totaled my bike, like a football yard away. Yeah, it's crazy.
Not this road, I guess. Hey, you're...
But yeah, pretty much when he dominoed, his shifter like bent in right there. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Oh, did it bend that too? Oh, just a bunker?
It was just a little off center. But yeah, literally, thank God my shit didn't tumble. It was literally like Stetson KO'd me, and they all three, or both of them fell. They fell on this side. His case hit. I thought it would have done more on his, but it looks like y'all need some cages, boys. No way. Hey.
Please tell me you're recording.
Oh. Oh. That'd be rad. Bro, his fucking goofy ass, bro, I swear to God. I love Stetson to death, but holy shit, that was fucking so funny. I cannot not talk about it, bro. We were at a complete standstill, and this motherfucker fucking almost dominoes, all three of us. That was crazy. Insane. I could never. I mean, I stalled, so like, maybe it's just the group ride energy. Who knows? We're just feeling goofy. I'm gonna go take some pics up here, bro. Cause I don't live too far. They gotta go like 20 minutes away. The sun sets here in like 10-15, so. Should have turned there, bro. Check me out. Ooh. This fucking dirty bitch. Find a sitter. Kill one of us niggas. Pitch black rolling. Check me out. Oh my God, what a fucking vibe. What a song. Anyways, we're gonna take some pics real quick. This guy's fucking creeping me over here. Oh, we gotta go back. Go see my madre. Woohoo! Off-roading. Open my book and I'll jot. Who the fuck did that, bro? Someone wrote 6-7. That's insanity. Woohoo. What up? Nothing.
You come to get a spray tan?
Fuck no. No.
Rick just said he was coming into Charlotte. Why did I already hear him? First time I've seen you actually wear your damn boots.
What is it? Chitty chat. We are back. We are loaded up. We are finally headed home. It is dark. It is dark. Oh, but yeah, good ride today. Very good ride. My buddies though, they're probably mad. They're probably mad that they dropped their shit, but could have been me. In the exact same spot that I totaled my bike. They both fucking domino. Insane. Anyways, we are back. Sorry, I'm just gonna keep talking about that because it's crazy. Like, such a sucky situation to be in, honestly. I hate that for them. Anyways, we are back. I'm about to start jamming. Yeah, it's dark in this visor, bro. And it's getting chilly, chilly. It's 70 degrees, but it does not feel like 70, bro. Once that sun goes down, it feels like 60, bro. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Bruh, the traction right there. Alright, chat. I'll catch y'all next time, bro. I gotta park this shit in this tiny ass gap. So, take it easy. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.